In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bundle on Vinted. Bundling lets you buy multiple items from one seller in a single order, often unlocking a bundle discount and saving on shipping. I'll guide you through the website flow so you know exactly where to click and how to review your choices. First, open your browser and go to vinted.com. Sign into your account so your progress saves and the buy option appears. If you're new, it helps to have your shipping address and payment method ready, but you can also confirm those details during checkout. Next, use the search bar to find an item you want. Type a keyword such as a brand, item type, or size, then apply filters like category, condition, color, and price to narrow results. Filters make it easier to land on a seller who has more pieces you might like. Sorting by newest or price can also speed things up when you're browsing many results. When you spot something promising, click the listing to open it, review photos, description, size, and condition so you know it's right for you. You'll see the seller's profile on this page, which matters because your bundle will include only items from this same seller. Scroll down the listing page until you reach the section showing the seller's other items. Here, look for the Create a Bundle option. Click Create a Bundle to open the seller's closet in bundle mode, a view designed for picking multiple items from that seller. Browse through the seller's products and select the pieces you want to add. Pay attention to sizes, variations, and any notes about wear. As you choose each item, use the Add button to include it in your bundle. You'll see the running subtotal and any bundle discount update automatically, along with estimated shipping. You can keep browsing within bundle mode. A counter usually shows how many items you've added so far. Once you've picked everything, click Review Bundle. This page summarizes your selections, per item prices, the discount applied, shipping, and the final total. If something looks off, remove the item from the bundle here and double check before proceeding. When you're happy with the bundle, click Buy to proceed to checkout and complete the order. That's all there is to it. Bundles are a smart way to maximize value from one seller, and the review screen ensures you know exactly what you're paying for before you confirm. Enjoy your savings and happy thrifting.